Hi there, today I want to show you how to set up WhatsApp Cloud API and Facebook developers. So let's get started. So in the first step, go to developers.facebook.com, then log in into your account or sign up for a new account. After you logged in into the website, click on the My Apps button on the nav bar. Once you open this page, click on Create App. Then choose Business and click on the next button. Now here you have to add your business name, contact email, and business account. And click on the Create App. Now in the open page, scroll down and choose WhatsApp and click on Setup and wait. After you see this page, click on Start using API. Now you need to set up your phone number. So scroll down and click on Add a phone number. First, add your WhatsApp business profile name and choose your business category and add your business description. Consider your business description should not be more than 512 characters. Click on the next button and now you have to enter and verify your phone number. Here is a very important tip. The number you use should not be used in other mobiles. So enter your phone number and verify it. After you set up your phone number, you have to configure webhooks. For configuring webhooks, go to webhooks from the Product tab on the left side of the website. On the open page, click on Edit. For the callback URL, you should enter the callback URL which is in your WhatsApp Cloud API application, and the token must be as same as the token on your application. In addition, when you want to use different options on your Cloud API like messages, predefined messages and so on, first you have to subscribe to them from webhooks. So click on the Manage button and subscribe to your needed actions. For example, here I just subscribe to messages. When you want to connect your WhatsApp number to your Cloud API, you need 3 unique connections. First is your phone number ID, second is your WhatsApp business account ID, and third is the access token. So for generating the access token, the first thing you need here is to add a system user. For this purpose, go to the link you see here or scan this QR code to go directly on this page. First, check these requirements. If it was no problem, follow the path here and go to your business setting. After you get there, open the users drop down here and click on system user and click on add to add a new system user. Now in the first text box, add a username and set the system user role. And finally, click on create system user. After you add a system user, you have to connect the WhatsApp account to the system user. So on the left side, go to WhatsApp accounts, then click on add people. After that, choose the system user and turn on manage WhatsApp accounts and click on assign. After you assign the system user to the WhatsApp account, it's the time to add assets. So head back to the system users and click on add assets. Then apps and select your app. Turn on full control manage app and click on save changes. Then click on generate token and check WhatsApp business management and WhatsApp business messaging and other things you need. And click on generate token and copy the token and use it. In the final steps, let's test our Cloud API. First, copy and paste the access token and phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. After you did that, go to the developers.facebook and turn the application on. But before starting, you must provide a valid privacy and policy URL link to take your app live. Click on the basic settings link and add the privacy policy URL and terms of service URL and click on save changes. Now your app is ready to start.